This doctor gave us the good information with a smile before the preparation. Kind of a little tricky here, so we compensate a good proportion of the tooth. So another exceptional cases. Patient don't have any lateral, so we create from canine to make the lateral, okay? Premolar to make the canine. So we're trying to make a good proportion of the tooth from the canine to make lateral, premolar to make canine. So another exceptional cases. This doctor gave us the good information with a smile before the preparation, and then tooth was really dark, and then here's really dark, so we're going to cover it, and then he gave us the study model to the patient like this. So this is the final finish the restoration. Okay. Kind of a little tricky here, so we compensate a good proportion of the tooth. Almost full mouth cases. Set up the vocal corridor right here. This is 6. Like this one should be okay. There's a lot of room. That much room, so we should not much considering about black appearance. Okay, that's good. Then 2 more. Okay, here's 1 more. There's a good compensation between the tooth, like I said. Here. And this. We make the good vocal corridor compared to what patients have. And this is the final restorations. Cool.
So I just tried these no prep veneers in with just some water. Now we're gonna remove them. There's looks like 8 of them, but we do have 10 veneers. These are, looks like OM3 in a lithium disilicate. And you can see the befores, short teeth, yellow, just worn, cracked some edges. She just wanted to have a conservative option, and these no drill veneers, no prep veneers where there's no drilling, no needles, is a great solution. And you can see the drastic change in color and in length. After we've removed them, we'll go ahead and cement them in.